You let my kids die!
Mapleshade, you shouldn't be here!
Too scared to fight me yourself? Rather watch helpless kids drown, don't you?
I thought your kids would be safe. I never meant for them to die.
I don't believe you. You're a fox-hearted coward. I bet you're glad they're dead.
I wish you were dead. You betrayed my brother's name. Otter! It bit me! Help!
Like you helped my kids? Never! I hope you die in agony.
Frecklewish? Is that you? It's okay, Frecklewish.
My eye!
Well, Frecklewish, I can't. Oh, Star Clan, if we ever needed Ravenwing, it's now. Seedpelt, we need soaked moss as fast as you can. We have to wash the venom out of her eye. Thresh Talon, fetch every scrap of Chervil you can find in the medicine storage. We have to try and save Frecklewish's eyesight. Lie still. We're doing everything we can.
But we don't have a medicine cat. Am I gonna die?
Not on my watch.